Hi everyone, in this video I want to talk about a design style very promising that you can make or use to create another designs for printing on demand purpose, and is a design style that is perfect for test-based designs. The design that I want to show and teach how to make is this one, but I'm not talking about this Amazon merch trend. I'm talking about this design style, this color scheme, this background. I'm talking about this contrast between the font colors and the background, the colorful background. This video is about this style. This style of design was shown in a recent video on the Ryan Rogue channel, and I already want to thank Ryan for his excellent tip. The first step is find a distressed font. Let's go to 1001 Fonts website and let's find the two-fold font. See, is free for commercial use, so you can use for printing on demand. Is an excellent font. Let's make the download of TTF file. The second step is go to Photopea. Photopea is a free and online software to create designs, but you can use Photoshop or Illustrator or GIMP. Here in Photopea, let's first create the file, new, let's use 4500 and 5400. Let's create a new template. I will put a new background in black color here and color fill. Let's choose the black color. Okay. And let's make the upload of the two-fold font in the Photopea. Click here in the text symbol, and after this, click here to choose the font and click here load font. Let's take the TTF file, click OK on this warning. And let's find the two-fold. Click here again, find two-fold incomplete design. Now let's take the design to collect the color scheme. Click here, file, open and place. I'm grab this file from Amazon just to collect the colors. See, we need some rectangles with these colors, and after a bold font with these colors to make this contrast. First, let's create the rectangles with distracted effect. For this, let's choose the letter E of the two-fold font. Let's take the type 2, click here, type the letter E. You can see because maybe it's black. Let's choose white color and is too small. Let's increase the size to see better, and let's use the move tool. Click Ctrl Alt T to activate the transform controls, and let's rotate 90 degrees. Click here and look if the transform controls is activated. You need activate this function. Hold shift and grab. Now I will make a copy of this layer, hold Alt button, click and grab. Now let's rotate horizontally, click Ctrl Alt and T again, click with the right button of your mouse and flip horizontally. Now let's show the model, and for the first rectangle, click this layer and click twice in this corner. You will see this window and choose the function color overlay, and after click over the name and click here to choose the color that you want. Click here and I will, with this arrow, I will choose this color. Let's make a correction, the color. Okay, I think it's good. Now let's make the same process to another rectangle. Double click on the corner, color overlay, click here to choose the color. Let's collect the yellow color. Let's make another correction. It's more yellow. I think it's good. Okay. Now I will repeat this process to create the other rectangles, and I will accelerate this video. Watch to see the final design before we put the text. The last step to make this design is put the phrase. I will choose one quote just for an example. For this example, I will use this quote. I became a nurse for the money and fame. This quote has been used to make scaled art where you exchange just one word in the design. In this case, the word nurse can be exchanged to engineer, teacher, or any other occupation. Now that we have the quote, we need just change the colors, follow this color scheme. So the phrase I became a, we need this color is light gray. The word nurse, we need a purple. The phrase for the, we need change to this orange. The phrase money and, we need change to light gray. And the word fame, we need change to yellow. Let's hide the model and we have our design. In this case, I use this font. It's a Photopea font, pre-Pambas, but you can choose other font. This is the mock-up of the design in the Redbubble Essential shirt. I think it's good enough to sell, but I suggest using a bolder font to make the text more visible. Use this strategy to create your own designs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.